Storm warning for Warren County, Vance County, northeastern Granville County, northern Franklin County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of Henderson, moving south-southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henderson, Oxford, Warrenton, Norlina, Littleton, Kitchell, Stovall, Middleburg, Macon, and Gilbert. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Torrential rainfall is also likely and may lead to minor flooding. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Granville, Vance, and Warren.